In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert or insert a table into a set of text in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, as you can see here, I have a set of text, but I wish to go ahead and insert columns and rows to make it into a table. To do this, just go ahead and select the whole text like this. And once you have selected, now head over to insert here. Under this, go ahead and click on table, and then go ahead and click on convert text to table. So if you click on this, now you can go ahead and close with rows without columns. And for that, you can choose paragraph and then OK here. And you can see it has rows without columns. However, if you want to add rows and columns on this, it's still the same. Just go ahead and click on insert and then table and then convert text to table. And this time around, go ahead and choose tab. So if you click on tab and OK, now you can see we have a set of rows and columns created for this table. So that's how you can insert a table to text in Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.